Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm at Dollarama. Yes, I know, don't source there, it's risky. If you guys haven't watched my last video about it, I'll post the link here somewhere. I don't know how it works. But the reason why I'm back here is because one of my best Dollarama items came back in stock. So I found a few yesterday, I already shipped them out, and I'm gonna try to get a few more. You know what, I'll tell you what it is now. It's it's a set of, and they were super popular last year. This year not so much, but they still sell for pretty good money. So my buy cost was $4 Canadian, and I sold them for about 19 up to 23, 24 US on Amazon.com. So as you can see, it was a pretty good flip. And I think back in early October, I sold about 40 or 50 units. So it's a good item, guys. Let's see if we can find any more. I've never seen these. These actually look pretty good. I haven't seen these either. Brand new? Huh. Oh, look at that. This is a decent item, but so many tankers. Yeah.
Left your card in
the thank you so much.
No problem.
I left my debit card in the store. Oh my god. God. Got it back. Ooh. Close call. And I think I'm done with Q4. Maybe Friday will be my last shipment out to Amazon.com. I have a few things left for Amazon.ca. But besides that, yeah, I think I'm done, guys. It was fun. I did a lot less than I did last year, but it's fine though. So the good thing about this Dollarama, it's beside a Walmart, so. Alright guys, so I want to tell you what the item was. I think I said it before, and if I did, I'm going to blur it out. Make you guys watch this to the end. Are you guys ready? Alright. It was a set of 4 little Hatchimo eggs. Kind of looks like this. This is not it, but it's almost the same. This is a different season and different style. But yeah, almost like this. I'll post the ASIN and maybe a picture if I have one. Looking at my Seller Central, we sold 62 units. So when I heard that they were restocking or people were finding them again, I went into my first Dollarama near my house. I found about 17 there, I think. I already shipped those. And drove around, couldn't find anything else. So I think that's it for the item, at least for me. But if you guys find any in your Dollaramas, go ham, have fun. Easy money. I'm going to run down some numbers for you guys so you see how good this item is. Early October, I sold 36 units. And then a few weeks later, I found more. And those sold the second they got to the Amazon warehouse. So that was, I think, 26 units. So altogether, 62 units sold. We're selling these on Amazon.com, so it's US currency. Now, my total buy cost was only $4 per unit, with taxes like $4.52 a unit. Yeah, so they were selling at that time for about $19.95 up to $24. So let's be safe. Let's just say $22 a unit. Amazon takes, their cut, which was about $6.15. I'm not quite sure. I'll post it here somewhere. So we're left with about $13.50 a unit. But you gotta remember, this is US currency. This is Amazon.com. So after we convert it to Canadian dollars, it's about $17.75 a unit, minus my buy cost, which was $4.52 a unit, or $4.50 around there. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but we did sell 62 units at $13, which is what, over $800, like $805, $810, something like that. All on just $1 Dollarama toy. Alright guys, and like always, if you got anything out of this video, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Cause my shit is real. It's fucking real as